Hello everyone, Tiyasha here. Welcome to my channel. And who all are returning, welcome back. First of all, I would like to thank you for all your wonderful likes and shares. Please continue to give me your love and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It'll help me to share more such super easy beautiful craft ideas with you. Now without further ado, let's start the video. Today we are going to paint a very easy dusky cityscape silhouette. You can paint it on a canvas board which are available in the market, or you can transform a piece of cardboard similar to a canvas board, as I'm going to do today. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Apart from cardboard, we would need a paper cutter, any kind of rope for hanging. I am using jute rope, some tissue papers, a flat brush for applying the tissue, and round brushes for painting, glue, a sponge applicator, and last but not the least, acrylic colors. I would mention the colors while we will be painting. So let's start. Now I am going to cut and remove this extra part from the cardboard. Then I am going to cut rest of the cardboard into equal pieces. Now I will make two holes in the middle of one piece of cardboard. And thread the jute rope for hanging the painting. Secure the rope with sellotape. Now I am applying some glue. And pasting the other piece of cardboard on top of this one. I am tearing the tissue paper into small pieces. I have glue and water mixture ready. I will stick the tissue paper pieces on the cardboard with help of flat brush. I have applied tissue paper on all over the cardboard. It is dried for 24 hours. Now we will start our painting. I am going to use black color for painting the silhouette. Also for the sky, I'm going to use black, different shades of blue, pink, red, orange, yellow and little bit of white. As I'm going to have a multicolor shade for the dusky sky, I am going to apply colors from bottom to the top of the board. First I'm applying yellow. I will take the color on the sponge applicator and start dabbing on the board. After I finish applying the first color, without washing the sponge, I am taking the next color and start applying above the previous color. I will keep on dabbing the sponge from left to right. You will see gradually the two colors will start blending. This way we will apply all the colors one by one and keep on blending them. Now I will stop talking and let you enjoy the process. Hello guys, I'm back. The paint is dry and I have also made the cityscape outline with pencil. But first I'm gonna make some stars on the blue part of the sky using splatter technique. So in this technique, we dilute the white acrylic paint, take it on a brush and hit that brush on any kind of stick. Here I am using another paintbrush. This will splatter the white paint on the board and give it a starry sky effect. Isn't that super easy? Next, I am painting the half crescent moon. Finally, I'm gonna paint the cityscape with black acrylic color. So now I have completed the painting. I will let it dry and show you how it looks decorated on the wall. This is how beautiful it looks. I have also painted some windows. I did make another silhouette painting with lovebirds. Please let me know in the comment how did you like this silhouette painting. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such ideas. See you in the next video. Until then, be happy, stay safe. Bye bye.